Analyzing your email marketing results and what metrics to improve. Simply sending out your emails and forgetting about them is not enough or a clever strategy. Just like all other marketing strategies, email marketing also needs constant tracking, monitoring, and analysis to ensure that you are doing it right. A/B testing. A/B testing is the method of comparing two results or features so that you can determine which one is better for your email marketing campaign. This can be significantly useful if you are confused about which feature to employ in your email. This kind of testing is also referred to as split testing. Testing two different versions of a single variable can give you your answer about which one to use in the future. It involves sending out one version of the email to one group of your subscribers and sending the other to another group. You can then go ahead and analyze the results of each email to figure out which one performed better. Focus on the right metrics. It is important for you to focus on the right metrics to ensure that your email marketing strategies are doing well. Open rate. The open rate determines and measures the number of your email subscribers and recipients who actually opened your email. If most of them did, then this can be a good sign about the efficacy of your subject line, preview, and the timing or day of the week on which you sent your email. Deliverability. Deliverability is whether or not your emails manage to land in your recipients' inboxes instead of going to spam or not reaching them at all. If this rate is high, then you will not need to change much in your strategies. Unsubscribes. Unsubscribes can refer to the number of people who unsubscribe from your emails and remove themselves from your email list after receiving a certain email. This is not always something you should worry about, since it can mean that your list will remain fresh. Click-through rate, CTR. The click-through rate refers to the number of people per 100 people that click on the links included in your email. This can be part of your call to action or any other part of your email. Bounce rate. The bounce rate refers to the number of your intended subscribers or recipients who did not receive your email at all. This might simply suggest that the given email address is no longer functioning, or that there might be some kind of error in the email address itself. Conversion rate. The conversion rate suggests the number of your recipients that not only clicked on the link in your email, but also went ahead and, for instance, registered for the given event or bought a given product or service from your online store. Reporting templates. The reporting templates that you use to measure, sort through, and document your metrics can make a difference here. Make sure you sort everything out in a manner that can be easy for you to read and understand, and make it a point to include all the given metrics along with details of your emails, such as subject line, segments, content, number of words, and more.